Ready? Let's go find it! Where's it? Is your dog scared of the water?
No, I don't think he is. I think he likes it.
Well, good doggy. That's boy, good doggy. Where's it? Good boy. We like the waters, huh? We say we like the waters.
It's gotta be cold.
We like the waters very much. Where is he? Well, goodbye. Well, up right here. Let's go. Well, come on, smack 'em. Well, good boy. You ready? That one go this way. Oh, go vines. Go vines. Good dog, right here. You don't fuck like going to the water again. That's where it goes. Well, good doggy. Good doggy. Yeah, I'll put these here if it's going to bring it in here. Because the water's going over here or what? Go bring it here. Goes. Well, bring it here. Let's see.